Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of diabetes. We will cover everything from types, high level of sugar, its sign and symptoms to management strategies. So let's begin. First off, what is diabetes? It's a chronic metabolic disorder where your blood sugar levels are too high, either because your body doesn't produce enough insulin or can't use it efficiently. What are the signs and symptoms of the diabetes? Sign and symptom of diabetes can include increased thirst, frequent urination, fatigue, blurred vision, and slow wound healing. If you are experiencing any of these, it's essential to get tested. You may be diagnosed with diabetes after you go to your doctor because of these symptoms. Now, let's talk about the different type of diabetes. There is type 1 where the body doesn't produce insulin and type 2 where the body doesn't use insulin properly. Gestational diabetes can also occur during pregnancy. Gestational diabetes develop during pregnancy due to the insulin resistance. Without proper management, it can pose risk for both mother and the baby. What are high blood sugar levels? High blood sugar levels, also known as hyperglycemia, occur when there is too much glucose, a type of sugar, in your bloodstream. Hyperglycemia can have serious consequences if left untreated. But what causes them? Factors like diet, lack of physical activity, stress, illness, or certain medication can all contribute in hyperglycemia. So, what should your ideal blood sugar level be? For most people, it's between 70 to 100 mg per deciliter before meals and below 140 mg per deciliter after meals. When should you do your blood tests? If you have symptoms like thirst, frequent urination, or blurred vision, or risk factors like obesity or hypertension, or pregnancy. Pregnant women should get screened for gestational diabetes around 24 to 28 weeks gestation. It's crucial to get tested regularly. What type of diet should you eat if you are diagnosed with diabetes? A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fat can help manage blood sugar level. And staying hydrated is the most important. And don't forget about exercise. Regular physical activity like brisk walking 150 minutes a week or strengthening training at least twice a week can improve insulin sensitivity and overall health. Lastly, let's discuss medication. Depending on type and severity of diabetes, you may need insulin for type 1 diabetes. Metformin is commonly prescribed for type 2 diabetes, and other oral medication like sulfonylureas, DPP4 inhibitors, or other treatments to manage your condition. That's all for today's video. Remember to consult with the healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for personalized dietary recommendation.